What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I am TrevannaShantia for those of you who are new, and for all of my returning ladies, y'all already know what time it is. What's going on? Happy Monday, guys. Today we are heading to do baby girl's hearing test. Her appointment is at 11 o'clock. 11:20, and it is currently 11 o'clock. Hey, so we just reached, so we're just waiting in the car a few minutes, and then we're gonna walk inside to go do a hearing test. I will let y'all know how it goes. Hopefully it all goes well. Also, my sweet girl is coming to town today. My girl is coming to town. Okay, it's been 2 years since I've seen my mama, because that's when she was last here 2 years ago. And she is coming in on today, so she won't get until later on tonight, but we will also be going to pick her up then when she does get in, and we'll go from there. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Text a friend, call a friend, tell them to tune in, and I will see you guys in a few seconds. Bye. How we get here? I don't miss this, y'all. I don't miss this at all. How the hell we get here? It's too early for this. Hello. Why is it nowhere? How we get here? Oh my gosh. Anyhow. Y'all, so we just got done doing baby girl's hearing test. She did not stay asleep, so she was a bit fussy, but she has a referral. She only could have got a pass out of one ear today because she was constantly moving, so we have to do a referral for a second hearing for her left ear to make sure that she doesn't have hearing loss in her left ear. So let's just hope and pray that baby girl does not have any hearing loss, but if she does, then we just have to adapt and adjust to everything. Yeah, that's the end of that. It wasn't too bad. Outside is cold. Outside is cold, but yeah, I can see and talk to y'all. I guess oh Lord, look at me showing you my business. Let me go for a second hearing test, alright? So I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye. Oh, my girl is here! My girl is here. I'm trying not to scream to wake up my baby, but my little sweet little thing is here, okay? Yeah, we just pulled up at the airport, and boo, why it's snowing in Toronto? Why is it snowing? So I gotta be aware of my surroundings. But yeah, I'm excited that my little sweet little thing, she's my little boo thing. Oh yeah, that's the same little girl. Tell me she and my friend. All my years ago, not then become my best friend. So yeah, y'all, I'm just checking in. I'm check back in with y'all when she comes, even when to go get her, because she supposedly said she's at Terminal 40 and Post 40, and we pull up at Post 40. She can say she outside by 33. So Eden went down to walk for her because we ain't about to spin this block. They coming right now. They're so scared of the cold. Yeah? Look at her. She's scared of cold, man. This ain't got no chilling over. No candy over. That's rent free, mortgage free, grocery free, sleepy, be married, as you should be. Melody, you didn't put that bag in the thing. What you dealing with? That's a man's job. like a lamb. You like look at that. Hey y'all, good morning. Good morning. It is about 6:57. Yeah, 6:57 a.m. Y'all don't gotta tell me, I already know I look nice and stink. I'm running off of about 40 minutes of sleep, okay? Cause y'all niece here, niecey poo, she don't know how to go to sleep, alright? But she in for a rude awakening because today is her second hearing test. As y'all would have seen earlier, she had a first test and she only passed the one air, so she had to do a referral for a second test. Is today, and their instruction specifically was to not allow her to sleep or eat after 7 a.m. this morning until her test. Her test is for 9 o'clock, so tell people like but she in for a rude awakening. So she listened to me last night and got on the bed like I tell her. But anyhow, I am just opening up today's vlog. Tell the folks, hey. Tell the folks them, hey, you're gonna be miserable. I should have gone to sleep. But yeah, I just opened up the vlog. I literally just got done feeding her. So yeah, I just about to go hand her off to her papa so I can go up in the shower. And when I come out of the shower, both of them better be up in her room. So yeah, she can be miserable, but that's when you don't listen to your parents, you know. Trash off, you start listening to me. But yeah, guys, I can see y'all probably when we get to her hearing test. I'm going to go bed and hand her off, like I said, and she'll be with her daddy for a few minutes. And then I have to take over keeping her up because I ain't gonna rely on her daddy to keep her up and he ain't there asleep with himself. So I can see y'all later.
Is she pretty easy? Pretty laid back girl?
For the most part, yeah. She's
tired. Does she take a soother at all? Does she take a pacifier?
She does.
Yeah, she can have that if she needs it.
I don't think she needs it yet. She'll be letting us know. She would let us know if she needs it.
If she needs it during the testing, that's fine. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna finish this up and then I'm gonna turn the lights down, step out for a bit, give you a chance to get her settled, okay?
Okay.
And then we're gonna have you try to transfer.
So I just put baby girl to sleep. She is in that room all by herself with the doctor. So I'm going to wait in the waiting room, well, in the foyer, because I won't record in there, but I can record. So I get in the foyer and we just hope and pray for the best.
You did great. Everything's good.
Look at us smiling.
Hey, see, my ears are good.
Thank you. She can see. Hi, beautiful. Yeah. Hi, beautiful. Unless you need something else. Hi. Let's put your time lock on your head, okay? We are done. Thank you. Have a good night. Good day. Jeez, good night. Early morning. Hi. Whew. Okay, y'all. Mama hearing is fine, okay? She passed in both of her airs. I told you that. But no, I'm not being cocky or anything. I just know because none of us have any history of hearing loss or anything in our family. So it would have been really rare if she did. But to God be the glory, she has passed. I know she's exhausted now because she haven't slept. When y'all was gonna tell me outside is cold. Y'all, I come outside for the first time in days, and when I tell you the snow pile up on the floor, like, where have I been? I've been underneath a rock. But, y'all, like I was saying, I had to hurry up to put the car on, put my child inside. But, like I was saying, I've been inside for days, okay? I haven't been inside for days, and I came out today and when did all this snow happen? We had a whole snowstorm, okay, in my yard. Like, whoa, where was I? I must have been living under a rock. Oh my gosh, but whew, my hands are cold. Yeah, like I was saying, baby girl passed her hearing test in both ears. I was going to go pass her ears on today as well, but when I called, they said that she has to be exactly 3 months or over, and she's not 3 months until Wednesday, which is 2 days. Today is Monday. So I'll just wait to pass her ears on Saturday, but I'm going to go take her passport pictures while she's on the road today. I'm gonna take her passport pictures and get that over with so I can put it on her passport. And yeah, I will be back inside. But anyhow, my hands are cold. I planned on when didn't come outside in my winter jacket. So yeah, I need to go. I get one to the store, get what I go for, and be about my day. Okay? Going on with my day. See y'all when I see y'all later. Deuces. She's still up, though. This is true for job. I would have been so good. Hey guys, what's going on? Y'all already know why I'm here. I am just simply hopping on to close out today's vlog, okay? Nope, we never went to do passport pictures. We went straight home. Outside was really too cold and nasty. But what I came on here to say is that I am so extremely grateful that, well, I was fortunate enough that both my mom and Ethan's mom was able to take time off from their jobs to come and spend a month or so with me and Ethan and helping me after I gave birth. So I was so grateful for that because if you know, you know. But nonetheless, yeah, I didn't really record or do anything whilst they were here because mentally, physically, emotionally, I was not there. So yeah, I don't have any videos with them, but this is the most y'all will see them. Otherwise, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for sticking it out to the end. Before we leave this video, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Text a friend, call a friend, tell a friend, tell them to tune in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace out.